At least 3 people, including one Jawan of 44 Assam Rifles, sustained injuries in attacks by suspected Kuki militants in Sangaitel area. MLA Karam Shyam clarifies memorandum submitted to Prime Minister Modi by 9 MLAs not in favour of President rule in Manipur. Congress leader Rahul Gandhi condemns Prime Minister Narendra and Union Home Minister Amit Shah for being indifferent to Manipur crisis. Union Home Minister Amit Shah calls all political party meeting on June 24 at 3 p.m. in New Delhi to discuss Manipur situations. And people of Maitai community in New York City staged protest demonstrations in front of United Nations headquarters demanding restoration of law and order in Manipur. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English Bulletin. I'm BABINA, HAJARIMAYUM, bringing you the top stories and latest news at this hour. At least 3 people, including 2 Maitai village volunteers and 1 Jawan of 44 Assam Rifles, sustained injuries in attacks by suspected Kuki militants near Boljang village of Kangpokpi district adjoining Sangaitel and Tairenpokpi villages of Imphal West district this morning. Locals said heavily armed Kuki militants from Boljang village started attacking Maitai people inhabited Sangaitel and Tairenpokpi villages in the wee hours. Upon getting information about the situations, a combined team of Imphal West District Police, Gorkha Rifles and Assam Rifles rushed to the area. The combined security forces and suspected Kuki militants reportedly engaged in 7-hour-long fierce gunfight from around 4 a.m. to 11 a.m., during which one Assam Rifles Jawan sustained bullet wound on face. One village volunteer sustained bullet injuries on his abdomen and another village volunteer was hit by a bullet on his leg. The Assam Rifles Jawan was rushed to 9 Sector Assam Rifles at Kaitel Manbi and the 2 Maitai volunteers were taken to RIMS Hospital. To avert further violence, Assam Rifles personnel are being deployed at Boljang village while a combined team of Gorkha Rifles and state forces is guarding Sangaitel and Tairenpokpi areas. Lamsang MLA S. Rajan inspected the incident site. It is suspected that there may be heavy casualties among the Kuki militants. Two minor children sustained injuries in a blast triggered by an improvised explosive device IED in Bishnupur district last evening at around 7:10. Miscreants planted a bomb in a vehicle park along the Tidim Road at a bridge constructed above the Moirang River under Phogakchau Ikai police stations. The explosion also damaged various structures including shops and vehicles in the vicinity. Locals said the bomb was planted in a Mahindra Scorpio vehicle which the miscreants came driving. After fitting the bomb, they sped away in an Alto car northward along Gorthon Road after passing through Kwakta Bazaar and Kwakta Ward number 8, and minutes later the bomb exploded. Family members of one of the injured victims claim that the bomb in the vehicle was fitted by miscreants who came from Churachandpur side. On his way to hospital, the 15-year-old injured boy told his family that he spotted a Scorpio vehicle coming from Churachandpur park at the breach, and sometime after, occupants of the vehicle fled the scene. Smoke started emitting from the parked vehicle and it eventually exploded. The boy sustained critical injuries on his left leg, shoulder and chest area and is undergoing treatment at Ras Medicity in Imphal.
bom se pokai ri thoi sina exact ekhoi gi moirang ture mapan uktawa number 7 ga 9 ga lona ba gi hek thong do adu du ne pokai ri thau chakhai awang laikai na mayam khangnei moirang ture pan ni su kau ni sok pa se maphai su suwe mathabak su suwe makut su mathum maphai di ai ya ga to ma ni tak tak
sei dia mu suram
sei tra ga su angang sina huju se kya angang sina hairam mu chu sam rom dei gari ai khu wang karak pai type ta moi muthat sin na mai mambani na ko lairaga moi chen thok re ai chen thok ko su howe angang thei se thong chalengai di thong du gi hek makha da madar sa lai ri ne ko madar sa da angang lari ta bang ne kilo.
Manipur Muslim Welfare Organization condemns injuring of 3 Meitei Pangal civilians in a car bomb explosion in Bishnupur district last evening. Briefing media at MMWO office in Hatta today, MMWO advisor HAJARIMAYUM Abdullah demanded State Security Advisor Kuldeep Singh to initiate probe into the bomb attack. He cautioned that MMWO and Meitei Pangal community will not remain silent if relevant authorities fail to shed light into the incident that took place in high security zone. He also recalled that a child from Kwakta Kaithel Maning sustained bullet injury on June 15 evening. Abdullah asked whether security forces were involved in planting the bomb or the bomb exploded due to security lapses. He also expressed suspicion that if there was any hidden agenda of starting a civil war in the state by dragging Meitei Pangal community in the present crisis. Abdullah also recalled the incidents of RAF personnel attempting to burn down a beef shop in New Chekon and vandalizing private vehicles in Singzamai Yai School area. He lamented over the failure of central and state governments in restoring peace and normalcy in the state. He maintained that Meitei Pangal community has been playing a role in keeping the state's integrity intact.
Losan hari nahan losan bayar abani masih losan bidar lagi bahaya masih hidal agenda ama ki marunda ai koi miya mase amana ama hatung narakanda ai koi masen tak losan nakiba adu ngasi tongan tongan producing chanarakanda masih ama hatung narakanda ai koi miya na waba amu sibado makoi kai so ni lawda masu mo khan bagi mo no mek senglap ba asina maram oirakanda nasi lamda masih sak kere MLA minister singna so ko koi bi kalu bi ngasi losan ba musu Manipuri apun bagi saktam de hiram ampu ka hen bayar na ba koi tipo ko khotang singa do Manipur da pura ga halakani hai bagi ai koi so asa tawde odu pura ga lapiu hai na Hajage Kuldeep Singh na ngarang pokai khiba thodo ko dui matam da thu matam da thijella kan da madui langa lagin miyam khan ge dobuni da tabata ragati miyam sing isani sab gajana bagi da makta Manipur gi Meitei Pangal sing amusu MMWO na thabuk lo khalo oi hai ngai leite.
National Highway Circle PWD Manipur Superintending Engineer Yumnam Robin cautions public that last night bomb blast has rendered the 6-meter span culvert along Imphal Churachandpur at Kwakta in Bishnupur district incommutable. Public is requested to stop crossing the culvert until it is repaired. Langthabal MLA Karam Shyam refutes rumours which claim that 9 MLAs from Manipur had submitted a memorandum to Prime Minister Narendra Modi in favour of imposing president rule in the state. In a video footage released today by state MLAs who are camping in New Delhi, MLA Karam Shyam asserted that cabinet ministers and MLAs unanimously resolved to stand against the impositions of the president rule in a meeting held at the Chamber of Manipur Legislative Assembly Speaker Thokchom Satyabrata on June 9. He added that some MLAs from Manipur are still camping in the national capital to meet with other central leaders, even though they could not meet with Prime Minister Narendra Modi owing to his US trip.
Akoi Delhi da sasi akoi adi numitsi tha helakrabani na akoi central ki leader da pressure tausi haidana taunaraba matungda tang 15 da appoint 14 da lae aduga 15 da appointment ship tawre 16 da adi madmi acknowledgement to pirakre adu group ahum mari adi PM unagi haiduna maram koidan kana unagadagi ama unare phajadre matam ju sinjule haidana Prime Minister si America ki khongjat tang kun gi bangdang da sakhi gadam nina 19 sida akoina hana draft to jaraga leiba memorandum si di Manipuri issue to haibet khana gane na koina tai adu ri submit to hoje na pung tarama to yamene nipu da submit to ne adu ga kwai di na laiba thili na akoi isa go mangak ta ni sa pro si adi akoina thamjariba akoina laksariba khudima Manipur prajagi interest ani moina pressure pibagi matungina lakuni akoi best level honabani aduda PR akoina porpadi yaroi gan haibase akoidi yam taiwana gre kamaina MLAs akoina Manipur da PR thama pangduino akoina iriba post da ju PR yo phama mata yaudi akoi thamoi sena Manipur da santi porna ba kangku masen hana suna ba thokna ba nungsi chanana leminana bagi damta akoi thamjabani
Kakching MLA and National People Party's NPP National General Secretary M. Rameshwar have urged union ministers to restore peace in Manipur. The MLA has approached Union Defence Minister Rajnath Singh, Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman, Union Minister of Road Transport and Highways Nitin Gadkari and NEDA convener and Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sharma. Congress leader Rahul Gandhi condemns Prime Minister Narendra and Union Home Minister Amit Shah for ignoring Manipur, which is burning. The Congress leader was addressing a public gathering at Karnataka's Anekal today, accusing the central leaders of playing dirty politics. Rahul Gandhi said Congress started Bharat Jodo Yatra to do away with such politics.
मणिपुर में आग लगी हुई है, लोग मारे जा रहे हैं, प्रधानमंत्री को कुछ लेना देना नहीं, होम मिनिस्टर को कुछ लेना देना नहीं। नफरत की राजनीति का नतीजा है द्वेष मणिपुर में हो रहा है। अगर मणिपुर आज जल रहा है तो नफरत की राजनीति के कारण जल रहा है और इस राजनीति के खिलाफ हमने भारत जोड़ो यात्रा चालू की थी और यही हमारी विचारधारा है।
Union Home Minister Amit Shah calls an all-political party meeting on June 24 at 3 p.m. in New Delhi to discuss Manipur unrest. The decision to convene the meeting was made after Assam Chief Minister and Northeast Democratic Alliance convener Himanta Biswa Sharma had a discussion with Amit Shah regarding the situation prevailing in Manipur and to bring an amicable solution to the issue. It may be mentioned that after the clash that broke out on May 3, Union Home Minister Amit Shah visited Manipur on May 29 on a 4-day trip and held talks with various leaders to take stock of the situations. In view of prevailing communal clash in Manipur, parents of Meitei students of Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya, JNV, Churachandpur, Kangpokpi and Ukhrul districts urged relevant authorities to make arrangements so that their children could study at JNVs situated in Valley area. Briefing media at Manipur Press Club in Imphal today, parents said 134 Meitei students are studying at JNVs in Churachandpur, Kangpokpi and Ukhrul districts. They urged authorities concerned to facilitate enrollment of these students in JNVs across Valley area before completion of summer vacation on June 28.
ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯂꯥꯏꯔꯤꯛ ꯇꯝꯗꯗꯅ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯈꯜꯗ ꯍꯌꯦꯡ ꯂꯥ ꯂꯣꯏꯈ꯭ꯔꯒꯁꯨ ꯂꯥꯏꯔꯤꯛ ꯂꯥꯏꯁꯨ ꯍꯩꯍꯧꯗꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯑꯃꯥꯡꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯅꯤꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯈꯟꯅꯕꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯀꯥꯡꯄꯣꯛꯄꯤ ꯆꯨꯔꯆꯥꯟꯄꯨꯔ ꯎꯈ꯭ꯔꯨꯜ JNV ꯖꯤꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯒꯥꯔꯖꯤꯌꯥꯟꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯅ ꯄꯨꯜꯂꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯃꯔꯤ ꯂꯩꯅꯕꯁꯤꯡꯗ ꯌꯧꯅꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯖꯔꯤ.
Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on Meitei community in New York City staging demonstrations in front of United Nations headquarters demanding peace in Manipur. So don't go anywhere and keep watching Impact News.
Matam amada cancer gumba aruba laina layengba achauba singnaba amani. Infrastructure matik chana leiramde. Trevi Hospital Langol Laimanai Manipur gi ahanba cancer super specialist DM medical oncologist amasung Manipur gi ahanba surgical oncology degree holder leiraba loinana anoba facility kaya pibata natana AB PMJAY amadi CMHTM panel tauraba hospital ni. Adongi haksel gidamak Trevi Hospital na lepli.
Raskumari Sanatami Devi Vidyalaya is the top CBSE all-girls school in Manipur for both boarding and day scholars. Well-equipped modern labs amasung state-of-the-art facilities mayam amasu Vidyalaya asida piri. Chahi Khudingi School the science exhibition sinduna talents uthokchaba amadi atop school gi mahiroi singa interact tobu ngamhali Vidyalaya asigi mahiroi singda curriculum gi ahenbada makoi bu pungning thogat pa oina skill development individual excellence amasung collaborative learning gi khudong chaba fanghali RK Sanatomi Devi Vidyalaya na matam pumbada mahiroi singi aifanabagi damakta lepli amasung honaduna su laiki gani Admission open for class 11 Science and Arts. Admission form available at Asazina Complex, North AOC and Pangai Campus, Houghton.
Every year maximum position holder SSLC amasung ICSC puthokliba Advanced Coaching Institute na linkhatchari ACI School Kwakaithal Akham Laikai 60% dagi hauraga 70%, 80%, 90% and above singi free admission, tuition fee, hostel fee amasung transport fee, scholarship yauna free oijare. First 150 students of science and arts stream animakta admission free oijagani. Ban amasung bus transport facilities yauna boys and girls hostel hangdokchari. Akupa marol gidamak contact number 9862992105.
Imphal Valley Academy, Gharimakhalaikai Airport Road. Admission open for Class 11 Science and Arts 2023-24. Special features: spacious campus with conducive academic atmosphere, smart class, psychosocial counseling, NEET NG coaching by quota experts. For more details, contact numbers on the screen.
Welcome you all to UNACO School. Admissions open for Class 11 Science to UNACO School, Coleman and Matram, affiliated to CBSE, New Delhi. Admission also open to Class 11 Science and Arts to UNACO School, Chanura, affiliated to Kosam, Manipur. Special coaching classes for hostelers by 4 expert teachers, namely Pedro David Maiden, Dr. Rami Khan, K.H. Hemant Singh and Dr. Chongtham, Marriott Srate respectively, for science subjects. Hurry up for admission to Class 11 Science and Arts to UNACO schools.
Admission open Class 11 Science and Arts, Aero Village Institute of Science, Arts and Sports AISAS, Manipur Educational Mission, Ningombam Road, Airport Mamang, Imphal. Facilities like never before for CBSE, BOSEM and others. Key facilities: percentage 80% and above, admission fee, tuition fee, free studentship, special facilities 65% and above, free studentship, scholarship 1,500 rupees per month, 60% and above, free studentship, scholarship 1,000 rupees per month, 59% and below, admission fee 6,000 rupees, tuition fee 12,000 rupees, one-time course fee. Conditions may apply. Above facilities are available for first 100 students only.
Welcome you all to UNACO School. Admissions open for Class 11 Science to UNACO School, Coleman and Matram, affiliated to CBSE, New Delhi. Admission also open to Class 11 Science and Arts to UNACO School, Chanura, affiliated to Kosam, Manipur. Special coaching classes for hostelers by 4 expert teachers, namely Pedro David Maiden, Dr. Rami Khan, K.H. Hemant Singh and Dr. Chongtham, Marriott Srate respectively, for science subjects. Hurry up for admission to Class 11 Science and Arts to UNACO schools.
Welcome you all to UNACO College, Kongman, Imphal East, an exclusive co-educational college offering both BA and BAc courses. UNACO College will be affiliated to Manipur University, Kanchipur. First academic session will begin in July 2023. Hurry up! Registrations and admissions open for 2023-24 academic session.
Delta Advanced School, Kwakathil Bazaar. Admission open for Class 11 Science and Arts. Ngasi fawa positioned inspired awardee amli subject topper kaya puthokliba school asina. Laibak asigi tangdu laitaga figum asina yenglaga. Bosse mabadi CBSE da chada khumfu amadi matatalakpa satra singidamag sumatagi lupa lishing ama khaktada. Admission tawul khudom chaba pijiri. Khudom chaba asi ahan balakpa satra chani khaktada pijigani.
Millennium Institute of Sciences Kwakathil Mayaikurgi Imphal की Class 11 Science 2023-24 के admission hosere. Direct admission from 55% and above. Ahan balakpa mahiru shinga admission amadi special facility kaya lejeri. Tongan ba category ki matung inna khudong chaba kaya leyi. Entrance test June 19 ki ayuk kumipan. Ako pamarol ki jamag 9863562803, 6909298070, 6009936247, 6909298071.
Maidunu Institute of Aviation and Hospitality, Changangai Airport Road. Admission open for certification course in air hostess training and airport operations, airline management, diploma course in hotel management and BVOC in hotel management training. Masida Sunatana, Manipur the Ihan Hanba Oina, commercial pilot training admission su Hogjere. Akak number Sydney 100% placement assistance Hamliba institution ni Masida Sunatana airlines kaya da su Ekwegi Satra kaya amushu placement funkrabani.
Welcome back after the break. You're watching Primetime English Bulletin. Demanding restoration of law and order in Manipur, people of Meitei community in New York City carried out protest rally and staged protest demonstration in front of the United Nations headquarters. The protest demonstration was staged under the banner of North American Bangladesh Manipuri Society. Hundreds of Meitei took part in the rally, displaying placards demanding government to keep a check on illegal immigrations in Manipur and protections of state's territorial integrity. A large number of women agitated today at Tera area by blocking roads. The road blockade started from 11 a.m. and continued till around 3 p.m. In connection with this, protesters demanded government to promptly withdraw Sioux agreement with Kuki militants. They also reaffirmed their stance to always protect Manipur's integrity. Nambul Mapal Apunba Maira Paibi demands CBI to intervene the Assam Rifles camp, which are allegedly rendering support to Kuki militants instead of Pangai police training camp. A joint meeting of 15 Maira Paibi groups in the Nambul Mapal area was convened today at Kaisamthong Elangbam Laikai Community Hall. Kaisamthong Elangbam Laikai Maira Paibi Secretary Sagosam Ibe Yaima condemned CBI officials for visiting Manipur Police Training College in Pangai today. She warned that Maira Paibi members along with the masses would launch an intense stir if the CBI failed to take stock of the Assam Rifles camps in the state. It may be mentioned that there are reports of taking away several arms from Pangai Police Training College following May 3, out of which some arms have been retrieved.
The Lebak is so Kluraba, Hana Chainaba, Hana Sunaba, Inai Taraba, Matamsida, Central Government, Amadi State Government, Hamzanba, English Signal Lainaba, Koitang Dulatana, Lainaba, Yum Labor Pangdaba, Saba Pangdaba, Larictamba Pangdaba, Mayamsi, and Bibagi Mahuta, Akoy Hariba, Training College, Sida, CBI Tazalaka Habase, Akoyaning de, Karino Hirakanda, Siki College, Sida Tazen Bagimuta, Assam Rifle, Tazen View, Assam Rifle, Kuki militants in Mating Pang, Habase, Akoy Lebak Miam, the Kangarabani, Makoydana Tazendra. Hariba training center asida thajan baje khoi yaning de masi khudakta lepu karigumba leptaba taragadi hariba khoi lekai tara manga siga loinana lebak miyam ga khusamnara kanda akanba khongjang changjalakani.
Members of Kakching Kuno Senior Citizen Welfare Association, Kakching District, Manipur have held a meet over prevailing unrest in the state, which has lasted for over a month. Members and volunteers of Meitei Pangal Apunbalub Komidok Imphal East also staged a sit-in demanding peace in Manipur at Khabaisoi Market Shed and Komidok Market Shed. They also took out human chain protests last evening. Meitei Pangal community in Sawombung and Wangoi also held candlelight vigil endorsing Manipur's integrity and demanding peace in Manipur. Press release from Singzamai Laisangtem Laikai Apunba Women Committee denounces Assam Rifles for assaulting Meira Paibi members in Taubal and also condemns RAF for manhandling journalists. Meitei and Meitei Pangal communities of Khetrigao took out a peace rally demanding peace in Manipur last evening. Yada, SSS, Pambalkhong, Yova, Khergao and women folk of Khetrigao took out the rally. press release from all Jiri Mitai Christian associations says it will always stand against any forces which are detrimental to the integrity of Manipur. An official team of 4 Assam Rifles under the aegis of Assam Rifles IGAR South Manipuri, led by Commanding Officer Colonel Sandip Mishra, extended relief materials to Manipur College relief camp today. The Assam Rifles team handed over sports kits, walking sticks and mobile toilet seats. The team also gave dry ration to volunteers of Singzamai Assembly Constituency Peace and Relief Committee. All Manipur VDF Employees Guardian Association has extended financial help to injured VDF soldier attached to Sugnu Police Station lies from Nando, who is undergoing treatment at Ras Medicity. Nando was injured from explosion of a bomb suspected to have been planted by Kuki militants at Sugnu on June 19. Peace Committee Nambol Assembly Constituency has donated 50,000 rupees to Sai Utlau Relief Camp. Teaching staffs of SK Women's College, Nambol contributed the money. Manipur Indigenous Conservative Forum also donated sanitary pads and other relief materials to various relief camps today. The relief items were provided to relief camps open at Naurem Birahari College, Khundrakpam, Sawombung, Yorabung Primary School and Government Dance College in Palace Compound. 203 displaced people from Iko, Dolaithabi, Laitanpokpi, Serau, Gwaltabi and Churachandpur are taking shelter at these relief camps. Apunba Loop, a conglomerate of 14 Mairapaibi groups in Bamon, Laikai and surrounding localities today visited relief camps in Kwakta and distributed relief materials. Kangleipak Chanura Kanna Lup Mairapaibi also gave essential commodities to relief camps at Itham, Moirangpurel, Wabagay, Kairak Sanatombi High School, Ideal College, Akampat and Tangjeng. All Jiri Mitai Christian Association Jiribam also provided essential items to relief camps which are open at Sorok Atingbi High School, Jirighat High School and MSU office in Jiribam district. AJMCA assured the inmates of assistance in times of sickness and need. Devi from Manipur was conferred with the prestigious National Florence Nightingale Award 2022-23. President Draupadi Murmu handed over the award to nursing professionals during a function conducted by Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Government of India today at the Darbar Hall of Rashtrapati Bhavan in New Delhi. All Manipur Working Journalist Union thanks YAOL, the youth network, for extending relief items to Amju members. Now the sports news. India drew Pakistan 4-0 in their opening match of the CAF Championship 2023 last evening at Sri Kantirava Stadium in Bangalore, Karnataka. Indian captain Sunil Chetri scored hat-tricks at 10th minute and another 2 goals from penalty at 16th and 74th minutes of the match. Udanta Singh from Manipur scored 1 goal for Team India at the 81st minute. It is worth mentioning that Manipuris who were watching the match at stadium displayed placards which read AIFF not even paying tribute for the Manipuri victims and why. Stop narco-terrorism immediately. PM Modi says nothing about this riot and why. Asian Triathlon Junior and Under-23 Championship hosted by Japan kicked off today at Gamagori. Khundrakpam Ngamba Mitai, son of Let KH Tomba and KH Surbala from Kongba Kaithel Laikram Lairak, is representing India. A player of Welfare of the Youth's Liberal and Conduct Organization Kongba Khundrakpam Ngamba has bagged various medals at state and national level triathlon championships. Ronaldo Laitonjam from Manipur clinched silver medal at the Asian Track Cycling Championship hosted by Malaysia at Nilaida Velodrome. 21-year-old Ronaldo won the silver in 1 kilometer individual time trial, setting a new record for India. Ronaldo is the son of Led L. Roman and L. Sundari from Wangkai Ningtempukri Mapal, Imphal. The young cyclist, who is also a trainee of NCOI Sai IG Delhi, is the only Indian to win 4 medals in individual track cycling championship. Aztecs Sports Manipur bags Best Startup of the Year Sports Goods of the 2023 third editions of India Business Awards of Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprise MSME. The award ceremony was held at the Leela Ambience Convention Hotel in New Delhi on June 17. The event was organized by Industry Live and partnered with National Small Industries Corporation NSIC, Government of India. Press release from All Manipur Football Association informs outstanding team of 50 in Manipur State League to submit names of participants for the upcoming 3rd Division Football League under the aegis of All India Football Federations within July 5. Before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. At least 3 people, including 1 Jawan of 44 Assam Rifles, sustained injuries in attacks by suspected Kuki militants in Sangaitel area. MLA Karam Shyam clarifies memorandum submitted to Prime Minister Modi by 9 MLAs not in favor of President rule in Manipur. Congress leader Rahul Gandhi condemns Prime Minister Narendra and Union Home Minister Amit Shah for being indifferent to Manipur crisis. Union Home Minister Amit Shah calls all political party meeting on June 24 at 3 p.m. in New Delhi to discuss Manipur situations. And people of Maitai community in New York City stage protest demonstrations in front of United Nations headquarters demanding restoration of law and order in Manipur. That's all we have in this bulletin. Thank you for being with us. Coming up next is Primetime Manipuri Bulletin. For more news, you can also follow Impact TV on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram and YouTube. Have a great evening and stay safe.